Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless ratchets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ingersoll Rand R3130 Gray. You will fall in love with the performance of this tool now that it gives a maximum torque of 54 feet lbs. In short, the performance you get from this tool will not be different from the one that comes from an air tool. You will like the construction of this product, which makes it very light in weight but sturdy enough to remain safe from the repeated drops. The versatile design for this product, on the other hand, will make it ideal for various applications. You will also fall in love with the ergonomic design for this tool that makes it comfortable to operate. The maximum operating speed for this tool is 225 rotations per minute, so you will have a good time for the loosening or fastening applications. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Makita RW01R1 Cordless Ratchet Kit 2.0 AH. Among the features that make this tool unique from the rest is that it features interchangeable anvils that make it very versatile. It also operates on a very powerful motor that gives a maximum torque of up to 35 feet lbs. The convenience that you get from this tool is that it comes with a variable speed trigger, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. For increased productivity, you will appreciate that this tool comes with an electric brake. You will also appreciate the convenience of using this tool as a conventional ratchet once the motor is not engaged. This tool basically combines performance with superior ergonomics, which makes it very good for you to use. The circuit also protects against overloading as well as overheating for safety reasons. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 2457-21 Cordless Ratchet Kit. This product operates at a very powerful 12 volts motor that delivers a maximum torque of 35 feet lbs. Among the accessories included in this package are an M12 battery, a 30-minute charger, and a carrying case as well. You will also appreciate that it comes with an onboard fuel gauge to allow you easily monitor the amount of power left on your device. This tool will give you convenient operation even in dimly lit conditions. The reason for that is that it comes with an inbuilt LED light. It also prides itself on superior fastening speed now that it produces up to 250 rotations every minute. What's more, it comes with a variable speed trigger to make sure that you get control over your device. At number 2, we have the AC Delco Cordless Ratchet Wrench with 2 batteries and charger. This tool has been made in a professional grade, which means that it will be very good for the heavy-duty applications. The maximum torque for this product is 57 feet lb and makes up to 170 rotations every minute. Another convenient feature that people like about this product is that it comes with a speed trigger to make sure that you get better control over this tool. With a forward-reverse switch, there will be no accidental actuation, especially when you will be carrying out the important jobs. The ergonomically designed handle for this product, on the other hand, will make sure that your hands remain fatigue-free. Buy with confidence since this product comes with a limited warranty of 1 year from the manufacturer. And finally, at number 1, we have the KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Kit, Variable Speed Trigger. This product prides itself on a maximum torque of 40 pounds-ft and makes up to 480 rotations every minute. The convenience you get from this device is that it has a variable speed trigger to guarantee that it operates exactly the way you want it to. You will also fall in love with the compact and lightweight nature of this product now that it only weighs 2.2 pounds. That makes it ideal for any repair job. This brand presents high-quality batteries for the ratchet, which actually has a good runtime. The ergonomic handle design for this tool, on the other hand, will make sure that you get the comfort you deserve when operating it. What's more, there is an inbuilt LED light that will play a great role in making sure that you work flawlessly in dimly lit conditions. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.